Hey, welcome to You First. We're going to take our first look at Davinci Resolve. I've recently switched to using it, and I bumped into a brand new problem that there was nothing on YouTube to help me solve it. I had to figure it out on my own, so I'm going to share that with you. Basically, you bring in some media, and you know it has audio in it, but you can't hear it in the timeline. You might even be able to hear it in the preview section, in the media section, but you can't hear it when it's in your timeline. So if that's your problem, I've had the same problem, and I also figured out how to solve it. So here's a clip that came in. I recorded this in QuickTime, did a screen capture in QuickTime. As you can tell, there's no audio, right? My mouth is moving over here. Sorry about that. But you can see me talking, and you can see an audio channel, but you can't see any audio. So let's take a step back to help you diagnose the problem first, and that is easily diagnosed over here in the media section. So that clip we were looking at is called Part 1 in my list of media here. And if I hover over this and kind of, and I push
something
play,
like this,
you can hear the audio.
Still looks a little shallow, right?
But if
because
you see this,
see
it's
how
actually
these
coming
edges
over.
Here kind of
pause it so you can hear me talking. It's coming over here on channel 3. It's not in channel 1 or 2. And channel 1 is usually mono. Channel 1 and 2 is usually stereo, or left and right, if you will. And then 3, why would that be coming in on channel 3? Well, by default, channel 3 in 7.1 sound is the center channel, which would make sense that when you're recording QuickTime, and QuickTime has all these inputs available to it, it probably defaults to 7.1 sound and takes that one audio signal and sticks it on the center channel by default. It's doing some things for you, but unfortunately that doesn't translate perfectly into Davinci Resolve, but I'll show you how to fix it. So going back to edit, where we already have this clip placed, you simply right click on the audio section, go to clip attributes, and then see how here it says 7.1. We want to change that to mono since we know it's only one channel. And then we want to choose embedded channel 3, which correlates to that meter that we saw working. We say OK, and there we go. You can already tell that it must be working because it's showing a signal.
You can use the perspective tool in an embedded dock.
And there you go. Anyway, I hope you like this video. It's a quick first one in this Davinci Resolve world. I ran into the problem myself and also found there was nothing else out there. So I thought, well, here, we'll just do a video on this. So I hope this helps. And if it does, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.